Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mike from Mike's Lionel Trains. Anyway, we have a Lionel Army Hospital train set, HO scale. It's from 2020. It's brand new in the box, and I got it for a price I couldn't resist. I got a little lower layout I set up, playing with the HO stuff. It's kind of fun, and this set seemed to get a lot of bad reviews. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna open it up, and we're gonna give it a run around the track. So stay tuned. I don't want to go through all the boring stuff. I'm gonna open this box up and take all the cars out. I'll give a quick little shot of them all. Take a look, and then we'll get them rolling. Alrighty, I'll be back. Okay guys, we got the box open. Let's see what we got. Alright. I see it's got Berkshire engine, a Santa Fe tender, and it's all brand new in plastic. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna get this baby open. We're gonna show you the cars, and then we're gonna take it for a run. As you guys can see, it's factory sealed, and this should be kind of fun. I mean, I picked this up for a great price. All right, guys, I just took the lid off the box. Let's get through the plastic. Actually pre-cut that. And let's take a look what we got. So, the Lionel HO Army Passenger Hospital set. Got a lot of bad reviews. Again, for the price I paid. And I just love trains. It's not really looking too bad. It's actually looking pretty nice. Let's see this locomotive. Okay, not too bad. I mean, for an HO scale, it's actually a pretty nice size. And the detail's actually pretty decent. Do I want to take this out now? Oh, let's take a look. All right, we'll take it out. I got to say, the locomotive, HO scale, this is actually pretty big. And you guys know I do the O gauge trains and the S, the American Flyers. Now let's see the tender. All right, we got. We got the 6-wheel trucks. Nice. All right, we're gonna get more into this once I get this rolling on the tracks. Now let's see one of the passenger cars. All right, I particularly, the detailing on here is really not bad. I mean, considering what everyone was saying, I know. Let's see how heavy. I mean, it's not heavy. It's not a paperweight weight. People were saying this was a paperweight. It was garbage. And we're gonna see. We'll put that to the test. And so we got over here, let's see, what do we got? Let me zoom in. We got details in the window, we got the seats. All right. So, this is the HO Lionel Army Passenger set. I'll take her out. I'm gonna put her on a track. Let's give it a run. Let's all take a look. I'll be back. Oh, the set actually comes with the Magna track. The track is under the box, but I'm actually not going to bother showing that, the Magnetrack. I'll do that on another video. I'm just going to get this on the layout. I really want to test it out, and I want to hear what all these bad reviews are about. I mean, the set really looks really nice, so let's see. All right, guys, so we got her all set up, put her on the layout. Like I said, we didn't use the Magnetracks. I didn't even really bother going over them. We could probably do another video, but the engine, surprisingly, is actually pretty nice. The detailing, and for HO scale, it's not light. The tender, Santa Fe, looks pretty good. I guess stay through when you learn the Santa Fe engine and tender. The passenger cars, they actually have some seat detailing in there. So we got her set up, and compared to, let's see if we can get in there. There we go. Compared to the Bachmann engine, I mean, and the Athon coaches, this engine's actually pretty big. So this is the Lionel HO Army passenger set. I'm gonna take it for a run. You guys take a look, and you tell me what you think amongst the rest of the layouts. Like I said, I just added this little HO edition, and seems to be pretty cool. We got the American Flyer setup over here on this level. We have some more O gauge in the middle level. We got O gauge on the upper level. We got more O gauge on the lower level there, double loops, and single loop up there. So anyway, back to the HO set. We're gonna run her, and you guys tell me what you think. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing, and it's looking pretty good. And I'm really happy with the price I paid. All right, so let's see. Okay, guys, we got the Lion Chief HO hospital set. She's on the tracks. She's powered up. And we're not going to be using the remote. We're going to work with the app. So let's get her linked up. Let me multitask over here. Okay. There she is. All right. So this is going to be the first run. Let's check out the sound. Right now, the engine sounds pretty good, I must say. And the detail is actually really nice. This is a nice set. I don't know what people are talking about. Now, here, let's get to the horn. Now remember, this is an HO scale. This horn's amazing. Sounds better than some of my O gauge trains that I got. All right, let's hear an announcement.
Dispatcher here. Stand by for track orders. Over. Copy that. Let's get to work. Out.
Yeah, loud and clear. All right, let's hear. Let me see what other features we got here. All right, we got the momentum here. So I have it set to medium. Let's go back. Let's hear the bell. So far, I'm kind of impressed with the Berkshire engine. This little HO engine seems pretty good. So, let's see the takeoff speed. Let's see how slow she can go. That's actually not too bad at all. I mean, look. No jerking. And I gotta say, the hospital passenger cars are really nice. I'll let you guys be the judge yourselves.
Dispatcher, train is moving. Over. Roger that. Have a good run. Out.
I mean, I do wish it did have smoke, but that's okay. Let's pick up a little speed. There she comes. Again, this is running on my Bachman Fast Track that I set up. And again, I just recently set up this HO level because I have so much HO stuff that's brand new. So I figured, you know what, let's get it out. In this sense particularly, I gotta say, in my opinion, pretty good. Let's move a little more faster. Sound is really clear. The horn is almost as loud as the Legacy's engine. And let's see what people have been talking about with derailments, because so far this set's running pretty good. It's amazing. Look at the size of the Bachman engine. This Lionel set is really nice. And again, for the price I paid, you guys be the judge. I definitely want to know your opinion. Some say the sound with the sync is off as far as with the speed. Sounds fine for me for an HO, and the detail's really beautiful. Let's pick up a little more speed.
Dispatcher, are we clear near the next block? Over. That's affirmative. Your track is clear. Out.
Amazing how loud and how clear it is for a HO set. I gotta say, I'm impressed. I like it. Some people may not, but look at it. I don't see any issues. Again, she's beautifully detailed. The Army hospital passenger cars are extremely nice. And the horn. This Lara's almost a legacy. And people were complaining about the backup light wasn't working. So let's see that. Let me reduce the momentum on this. Let's see. Look. Very nice. Very nice slow momentum. Again, don't mind. This is the temporary HO setup. I really like the set, and again, I'm not an HO guy, but Lionel definitely didn't look bad. Alright, so let's take this, let's put it in reverse. And sure enough, we do got the backup light on the tender. Let's see if we can go slower. Nice. Backup light is working absolutely fine. It's actually cool how it illuminates the passenger car. But you know the passenger cars I will be putting lights in. But that's a really cool feature how it illuminates the car. The momentum of the engine. It definitely has a nice speed control system in it. It runs really smooth. I don't see any jerking at all. So, let's bring this to a stop. Let's put this back to forward. And let's give it one more run around the track. We're ready, guys.
Dispatcher, we're done for the day. Signing off. Out.
Seems like the dispatch is done for the day. Alrighty, so anyway, let me know what you guys think about this video. Please like, subscribe. And thank you for viewing and watching Mike's Lionel's Trains. Have a great weekend. Be safe.